Make Earth great, it's not too late. Don't pollute. Follow nature's flute. Preserve the Earth's worth starting from birth. Protect our sphere, make pollution disappear. Mastering the art of plant potting, a guide to perfect pots for your plants. Welcome to the world of plant pots, where functionality meets aesthetics in the nurturing of our beloved indoor green companions. Plant pots are more than just containers. They are the guardians of growth, offering structural support, proper drainage, and a stylish touch to our living spaces. In this journey, we'll explore the diverse realm of plant pots, discovering how each type and material contributes to the health and vibrancy of our home gardens. So let's dive into the fascinating universe of plant pots and unlock the secrets to cultivating thriving and beautiful indoor plants. The purpose of pots. Pots play a crucial role in both the aesthetics and health of indoor plants. They provide necessary support, ventilation, and a proper environment for plant roots. Types of pots. Pots come in various materials such as ceramic, clay, plastic, and metal. The choice of pot material can impact factors like temperature and soil moisture. Preferred pot dimensions for plant growth. The dimensions of a pot should align with the size of the plant and its space requirements. Larger pots are suitable for plants with extensive root systems. Types of pots in terms of structure and function. Pots with ventilation, holes, and efficient drainage contribute to healthier plant growth. Smart pots with automated watering systems can simplify plant. Best pot for the care and growth of indoor plants. Consider the specific needs of each plant species when selecting a pot. Transparent pots enable visibility into the root system and soil condition. Key considerations in pot selection. Assess the lighting, water, and ventilation requirements of the plants. Choose pots that complement the overall interior decor. Fundamental factors in pot selection. Tailor the choice of pot to the type of plant and its unique requirements. Consider the environmental conditions of the plant's placement. Appropriate time for pot replacement. Replace pots when the roots outgrow the existing container or when the pot becomes crowded. Spring or summer is an ideal time for pot replacement. Now let's delve into more details about the types of pots. Types of plant pots for plants. Ceramic pots. Advantages and beautiful appearance with diverse designs, retains soil moisture and provides a moderate environment for plants, stability against heat and cold. Disadvantages. May be heavy, higher cost compared to some other types. Clay pots. Advantages. Resistant to variable weather conditions. Creates a high-quality gray environment for plants. Disadvantages. May dry out some plants due to water absorption. Heaviness may make handling and moving difficult. Plastic pots. Advantages. Lightweight and portable, resistant to water and moisture. easy to move and relocate. Disadvantages may be less resistant to heat and cold, less natural and aesthetically pleasing compared to ceramic or clay pot. Metal potting advantages: modern and industrial appearance, resistant to various environmental conditions, acts as a barrier against dust and insects. Disadvantages may increase heat beyond necessary levels in some cases, can act as a radiator and dry out the plant. Consider the water and temperature needs of your plants when choosing a pot. The design of the pot should harmonize with the interior decoration of your home. Pots with ventilation holes and proper drainage systems are preferable. With this comprehensive information, you can make informed decisions when selecting and managing pots for your indoor plants. I hope this text serves as a valuable guide for your instructional video. Please write me your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you until the next video.